subscribe. Before the video begins, make sure you like and subscribe.
Namaste, hello, assalamu alaikum, hola. Retouch for me. Are you someone who likes to edit their pictures, making them look perfect before uploading them on social media? Or a professional photographer who doesn't know how to retouch their pictures like a professional? Retouching could be really hard, even though you know what you want. You just don't know how. How do I get that result? And God helps anyone who is a school or a wedding photographer with a bunch of images waiting to be edited. This is where Retouch4me comes and saves you time and effort, and also your eyes from stress while being simple to use. Retouch4me is a one-stop shop family of photo editing plugins. Retouch4me's plugins can do literally anything related to photo retouching, whether it is healing, brightening up your eye, adding depth to your photos, color matching, and many other retouching features I will tell you about in this video. To try Retouch4me right now, click the link in the description. Here you can see all of the plugins we are going to talk about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here you can see how Retouch4me can help both professional photographers and even retouchers. So this is before and after Retouch4me for professional photographers, and this is before and after Retouch4me for professional retouchers. And here you can see how much time you spend on retouching your images. For me, I retouch about 40 to 50 images per month, and I spend about 30 minutes on each picture. So in a month I spend 23 hours, almost a whole day retouching images. And I don't even do this for my living. Just imagine what a game changer these plugins will be for the professionals. Here you can see all 12 plugins, but first I would recommend you to download the Photoshop panel. It is completely free and it lets you access all plugins in one place. Oh yeah, these plugins can work on both Adobe Photoshop and Capture One, but I would recommend you to use Adobe Photoshop due to its simpler UI. Let's start with the plugins. Number 1, Frequency Separation plugin. You can download this plugin for free, just like the Photoshop panel. This plugin creates 3 layers for retouching. High frequency for fine texture, medium frequency for major spots and defects, and low frequency for depth and color. Second plugin, Heal plugin. Now this and all of the following plugins are not free. However, I'll show you how you can try them for free before purchasing them. I will show you the process for the Heal plugin, but it is the same for all plugins, so you can get the idea. First of all, find the plugin and scroll down a bit, and here you can see the demo with Apple and Windows logo. Scroll further down and you can try these links too. Choose the appropriate one and let it download. One really good thing about Retouch4me is that you can try the plugin first and then buy it. Once downloaded, you just need to install it. What Heal plugin does is auto-select the skin area that needs the treatment and preserve the original skin tone with just a single click. Third plugin, Dodge and Burn plugin. This plugin helps you lighten and darken specific area of your portraits, also resolving issues like skin bumps and minor wrinkles. Fourth plugin, the Eye Bundle plugin. It is a 2-in-1 offer. Eye vessels and eye brilliance. This combo helps you remove the bright red eye vessels and, just like the name suggests, brighten up your eyes and enhance them. Plugin number 5, Portrait Volumes plugin. This plugin adds depth and extra dimension to your portraits and emphasize on facial features like eyes, nose, and lips, and make you stand out properly. Plugin number 6, Clean Backdrop plugin. This plugin cleans studio background like dirt, small folds, and sensor dust. Is it noisy right now? Well, now it's not. It is that simple. Just one click. Plugin number 7, Skin Tone plugin. This is one of the coolest plugins. It can basically determine the average skin tone and then even it out. It can remove redness and even turn cold skin tone into warmer skin tone. Plugin number 8, White Teeth plugin. This is literally what the name suggests. This plugin makes your teeth white. Plugin number 9, Fabric plugin. This plugin smooths out crease and wrinkles, making you look neat and clean, even when your clothes are unprepared. Plugin number 10, Skin Mask. This plugin can detect your naked skin and mask it without needing any manual work. Plugin number 11, Mattifier plugin. Who doesn't like matte products? Just like MKBHD says, matte black everything. But in this case, making your skin matte. This plugin removes the shiny spots from your skin that you might get from flashlights, sun, or any other light source and makes your skin matte while keeping the skin tone. Finally, plugin number 12. Color Match plugin. This plugin allows you to extract color from any image and apply it to your image. Okay, so my final thoughts. Is this tool for everyone? No. But can everyone easily access and use them? Yes. The target audience is not the 90%. The target audience is the 10%. The professionals who need to finish a lot of work fast. However, 100% of the people who wants to try it can try it without any hassle. And for that reason, this tool goes to the top of AI Tools Club tier list. And yeah, this tier list is based on AI Tools Club catalog. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Try Retouch4me right now. Link in the description with many other cool AI tools.